Hi, I'm Stuart Fitzpatrick from Excel Financial Advisors. I'm an accountant, financial planner and mortgage broker, and I've been in the financial services industry now for close to 40 years. I've held a lot of different roles over that time, but 15 years ago I made the decision to start my own business. I wanted to do things the way I thought they should be done. And at Excel Financial Advisors, our key focus is to help our clients make smart financial decisions so that they can build a better future for themselves and their families. And while we're fortunate to have clients across Australia, and technology helps this, our clients that actually come and visit us at our office on the farm here in beautiful Port Stephens area of New South Wales really get to enjoy a professional but relaxed atmosphere. So if you think we might be able to help, give us a call today.